Hey there, ZIK fam. We've got big news to share with you today. We're launching a brand new eBay tool. And here's the best part. It's available on all plans. Introducing the eBay Product Explorer. It's the ultimate tool to take your eBay game to a whole new level. Finding winning products just got faster, smarter, and so much easier. With this tool, you can retrieve any product that has sold a specific number of times in any eBay category without the need to conduct any product research. At ZIK, we're all about helping you grow your business and enjoy the journey. With this new tool, you'll have access to millions of eBay products and advanced filters that help you uncover best sellers to boost your profit. Ready to make waves in the e-commerce world? Let's dive in. Let's first talk about the eBay Product Explorer filters. You can find the eBay Product Explorer by clicking on the icon right below the spy icon in the left-hand menu. Once you click on it, you'll see the dashboard where you can apply powerful filters to refine your search and get the best product results. This tool is truly a game changer because it gives you more control than ever over the products you can discover. So let me walk you through the main filters. We have search by keywords. You can search for products using specific keywords and exclude keywords to refine your results. So for example, if you're looking for phone cases, but don't want to see Apple cases, you can add phone cases as your keyword and exclude Apple. eBay Marketplace. Choose the eBay Marketplace you're selling on to get tailored results. Shipping location. Select where the product ships from. Sales date range. Analyze how the product has performed over the last 7, 14, 21, or 30 days to spot consistent sellers versus trending items. Sales and revenue. Focus on products that meet your desired sales numbers or revenue thresholds to find top performers. Price range. Set minimum and maximum prices to focus on high-ticket items or products within your budget. Other filters. This is where things get exciting. You can choose to see only products sold by dropshippers and even filter by their suppliers. Amazon, Walmart, or AliExpress. As I mentioned before, the control here is huge. You can even filter to receive products from specific categories. This is especially powerful if you notice a particular category selling well in your store. You can filter to find more products from the same category and expand your success by adding similar products to your dropshipping store. So by combining these filters, you can unlock deep insights into product performance, save time, and make data-driven decisions to outpace your competition. Now, let's run a scan to see the eBay Product Explorer in action. I'm going to apply a few filters to find some great results. First, I'll set the shipping location to China because I want to focus on the best-selling products from AliExpress. Next, I'll set the sales to a minimum of 5. This ensures I'm looking at products that are already performing well. Then, under the Other section, I'll toggle dropshippers only and select AliExpress as the supplier site. This way, I'll only see products that are being sold by dropshippers sourcing from AliExpress. Now, for categories, this is where you can really customize your search to suit your preferences. I'll pick some of my favorite categories to sell in, like clothing, shoes and accessories, home and garden, pet supplies, sporting goods, and toys and hobbies. Finally, hit search and let the magic happen. For this example, I'll check on this item. Take a look at this product. Silicone print shoelace. This is definitely a winning product. In the past 7 days, it has sold 7 times. In the last 2 weeks, it sold 13 times, and over the past 30 days, it has sold 24 times. Now, here's where things get exciting. I see that it's selling on eBay for $12.99. And by clicking on the product finder, I can see that I can source it from AliExpress for just $3.04. That means I can make an estimated profit of $7.57 per sale. Not bad, right? Just to give you an idea of how successful this product is, the silicone printing shoelace brought this particular drop shipper earning over $180 in profit in the past 30 days, even after eBay fees. That's the power of finding the right product and having the right tools to guide your decision. With the eBay Product Explorer, spotting winning items like this is easier and faster than ever. What I love about this product is how perfectly it aligns with the kind of items I sell in my eBay dropshipping store. And the best part, all of this is possible because of the incredible control I get over my product searches with the eBay Product Explorer. This tool is truly versatile. It's ideal for beginner sellers who are just getting started and need to carefully select a few winning products for their store. And it's just as powerful for pro sellers who need to scale their business by adding multiple new items to their dropshipping stores every day in seconds. Now that I've found this great product, the next step is simple. I can save this product to my ZIK folder for easy access later. From there, I have two options: manually add the product to my eBay store, or save even more time by using ZIK's integrations with product monitors to upload it directly to the monitor and list it from there to my dropshipping store. These integrations make it easier to keep track of your products and ensure you're always one step ahead in managing your inventory. That's the eBay Product Explorer from ZIK Analytics, now available to you on your current plan. This tool is designed to give you unmatched control over product filtration and deliver results that can transform your eBay business into a well-oiled machine. Give it a try today and see for yourself just how powerful and effective this tool can be. We're confident you'll be amazed by the insights you'll uncover and the opportunities it will unlock for your eBay dropshipping store.